Simon Jeffy Lube. We're down at Table Rock Lake. So I've got my XL1200 Wave Runner Yamaha 2-stroke 1200 triple that was just rebuilt and had the carbs redone last year, and now it won't go over 8 to 10 miles an hour. It won't really rev up past 4 grand. It seems to like just stall out. So that usually means there's something wrong with the power valves potentially, or there is a carburetor issue. So what I just did is I removed one of the couplers because I noticed that I wasn't able to turn the shaft with the cables unhooked. This middle power valve was sticking. So I just took some needle nose pliers, and now you can move it just a little bit. Before it was completely stuck. The servo motor didn't have enough power to move it. So I think I've broken it free. I'm gonna go ahead and put the coupler back on and test it out. So just got done freeing of the power valves. I also confirmed that the servo is moving the power valves. They're doing the self-cleaning, which is a very important part of these old 2-strokes. Make sure to run full synthetic. And the other thing, I figured, why not look at the fuel filter? Yeah, that's bad. So change that out. We'll see when we go on the water and see how it does. See you guys in a few minutes. So unfortunately we're unable to fix the ski. Head gasket popped. Was able to fix the power valve issue and the fuel flow issue with the new fuel filter. So if you ever run into this issue where it's bogging down and it won't go above 4,000 RPM, most likely it's power valves not opening up. But unfortunately, when I got up to speed, more pressure built in the cooling system, which then led to the head gasket popping, and bolts just couldn't hold. Appreciate you watching today. So if you could, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.